these are stocks we've picked, and we haven't wanted to actively manage it. But we don't need to actively manage it because dividend stocks don't move as much. So we've picked it, but the bot just makes the trades for us.
Correct. And so but we choose which stocks it actually picks to trade. Yeah. So some of the stuff that I'm in right now, my screen share is not working in our software, so I'm just gonna have to go off of the list here. But I have it pulled up. So right now it's trading Apple, AbbVie, which is a dividend aristocrat, and that was kind of like the foundation. Was the dividend aristocrats is what we really want to go into. Yeah. Goldman Sachs, Maine, which is a REIT, which is a REIT, ORC is a monthly dividend, which is really awesome. AT&T, Verizon, and ExxonMobil. Now, what do all of these have in common? They're all value stocks, every last one of them, and they're also in areas that we've talked about. That you should be rotating into, and the proof is in the pudding. I'm looking at the bot right now, and year to date we're up 23.36%, which is outpacing the market quite considerably. The S&P right now is up around let's see, year to date S&P is 8.47%. So it's crushing it.
3 times,
crushing it. Yeah. And it's just doing really, really well. So we've talked about like having multiple streams of income. Talked about having diversification. And so, while I have my Webull account that's pretty heavy and kind of some of the high flyers that was in the high flyers a lot and stuff like that, and is a little bit over leveraged and things like Penn and Airbnb, I have something like this that's kind of also working for me as well and doing a really, really good job at it.
And the point is you don't have to have a dividend account. You don't even have to have the bot. You could do what we've created here very easily. It has monthly dividends. We're actually adding growth stocks to it as well to kind of diversify it and potentially, probably shouldn't give too much away, but an options component to that. Yeah. And yes, I don't know if Stuart Castro's here, but Stuart Castro, yes, we know you're interested in it and you want it. We'll get it to you. But we're adding these components that are going to help it become more holistic. Yep. But the point is you guys can do this as well. This is a diversification play for us, a hedge for us. And so making sure it doesn't just have to be dividends, but like other industries. And that's the one great thing about that. That is very well diverse because we have different industries. We have different dividend payouts. We have just different exposure, and it's very balanced. So it's very hard for our emotion to get involved into it.
I literally just don't look at it every day for that reason. Yeah. Like I want to take emotion out of it. I just want to do its thing and trust the process. And it's been killing it. I mean, 23.37% is absolutely demolishing the market, and it's slow increments. It doesn't have crazy wild days. It just has nice steady days, and you still have red days here and there, but overall it's just been doing really, really well.
Yeah. And 2 quick comments. Donna Lindsay, who is a bot holder, who has that bot as well. Yeah. My bot account is the only one that is green. I just wish I had more money in it. Hey, it's a long-term account, so you can add over time. That's right. Tim G says, do you need to have a specific amount in the account for the bot? No, you don't. If you're interested in more details, and we do webinars from time to time, info sessions, you can go ahead and visit ownthechaos.com, ask a question, and just tell us you're interested in the bot and if you want more information, and you can sign up for the next Q&A session we have as far as the bot's concerned. I don't want to make this about selling the bot, but just letting people know this thing is crushing it, and it's having green days, and it's doing really well, and it has been good timing. So kudos to those crew members who are already in it. Guys, if you guys are interested in joining the crew, click that join button next to the subscribe.
Yes.
Sorry, why did this slip my mind?
Join button next to subscribe.
Click that join button next to subscribe, and you too can join the crew and get access to fun stuff like the bot.